This car should be on any mid-size shopping list if you are shopping at this price point. It's a sporty alternative to the Honda Accord and Toyota Camry. This Mazda is an attractive sedan, though, like the Camry and Accord, won't attract a lot of attention. Its stiff chassis and well-tuned suspension give it a sure-footed feel that'll encourage you to press down the accelerator pedal as you exit a tight corner. Mid-size cars are popular because they excel at moving passengers with speed, comfort and efficiency. Most, however, are clothed in conservative designs, which is a nice way of saying they are bland. Though it's no real head-turner, this 626 looks both functional and sporty. Overall, the interior design emphasizes quality, comfort and ergonomics. The front bucket seats in the 626 are excellent. They provide long-distance driving comfort, with plenty of shoulder space and superb lateral support, both important on winding mountain roads. The rear seats are comfortable also, again with good shoulder space. The Mazda 626 is a lot more fun to drive than its competition. This car has a personality. It provides excellent communication between the driver and the road. It steers so precisely, so exactly where you want it to go, that each corner on the route home becomes a stimulating experience. If you want a practical mid-sized sedan that's also fun to drive, you can't afford to overlook the 626. Print this out and come see us today for a test drive. Thanks for looking. Please call and ask for Spencer Gardner for more information or special pricing.